Are you struggling with low back pain? Let me introduce you to the top 3 exercises you can do to help strengthen and stabilize your spine. The first exercise is the curl up. Begin this exercise by placing your hands under your low back. Embrace your core so there is cylindrical pressure in your abdomen from the front, the side, and the back. Squeeze your low back into your hands and lift your torso off the ground. The goal here is to maintain a neutral spine. You're not looking to do a full sit-up. Keep the head in neutral so you will not be looking down at your feet. Progress by holding this position for 8 to 10 seconds. The next exercise is the side plank. Start with hips and knees slightly bent. Push your hips forward and lift off the ground. Hold this position for 8 to 10 seconds, repeating on the other side. It's really critical here again that you embrace your core, pushing from the front, the back, and the side. The progression from the side plank from your knees is the traditional side plank. Here you stack your feet on top of one another, lift your hips off the ground so the shoulders, knees and ankles are all in a straight line. Again, you need to hold this position for 8 to 10 seconds, repeating on the other side. The final exercise is the bird dog. In this exercise, we must maintain a neutral spine while maintaining arms and legs. The first progression is to move only the arms, left then right, bracing the core at all times. The next progression is to move only the legs, left then right, bracing the core at all times and keeping the spine in neutral. You should be able to balance a water bottle on your low back while doing this exercise if you're doing it correctly. The final progression is to combine the movements, moving the opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time, while keeping the spine in as neutral position as possible. Take your time with this exercise. It takes a little bit of coordination, but this exercise really will provide you with a foundation for strengthening your low back. And the key to success with these exercises, guys, is to do these on an everyday basis. Try and get them in. It will only take you about 15 minutes, but I promise you over a period of time, you're going to add great stabilization to your spine and you're going to really improve your core strength, which is going to be the solution to keeping long-term out of problems. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and watch my other videos and share this with a friend or a family member who needs this information to help with their backs.